Hi guys, this is Anchal Mehta. In this video, let's talk about top 5 eco-friendly businesses that will make profit in future. So number 1 goes thrifting business. Thrifting, so now that we see everyone is aware about global warming and increasing destruction to the nature, it costs nothing to give it back to the nature and make it a peaceful place to live in. So thrifting business is nothing but to reuse, reduce and recycle. So if I have extra pair of clothes or clothes that I'm not using for a very long time and I want to make something out of it, so I would combine two clothes and make it into one single piece and call it as fashion thrifting, right? And then I could, if I am tech savvy, I would mix two spare parts and make it into one technology, so that is called technology thrifting. Isn't it a good idea? The second business is organic food or organic farming. So organic food is something that is made naturally out of manure, sunlight, without any harmful chemicals and pesticides. These organic foods or products has gained momentum in market, and people have started to prefer organic products. The new generation has started to understand the benefits that the organic product brings, and hence we see number of people switching to such alternatives. So organic food and organic products could be a great idea. Next up is eco-friendly interior designing. So it is nothing but to minimize the resources that are used in construction and to make use of eco-friendly materials with the emphasis on health and environmental factors um, in the respect of same. So that could be making use of dry bricks, making use of bamboos, making use of materials that are made naturally out of nature. Organic spa could be another eco-friendly businesses that could be profitable in future. Who wants harmful or toxic chemicals to be applied to their body or to the skin? No one, right? It's neither you nor me. So making use of materials or making use of products that are naturally made out of nature to be applied onto the skin is something that could be a new business idea, and as well as could be benefit for. Next up is eco-friendly restaurants. In today's state, we see people are more health conscious and diet conscious and body conscious. So everyone wants to have a healthy diet. So bringing food from farm directly to the restaurants could be a great business idea that could gain a lot of attraction. So we do not want to eat vegetables or fruits that are being stored for like 3 days, 4 days. Everyone wants to eat fresh fruit and fresh vegetables. So why not implement it in our restaurants? Okay, so why am I talking about eco-friendly businesses today? So let's talk about the benefits that eco-friendly businesses bring. So the number one thing is, apart from delivering the profits or apart from making profits, it is something that will be running long term. People would prefer it for a long period. So if you have a consumer for one time, that could be a consumer for very long, for years and years. So that is the one benefit. The next is it makes the world a better place to live in without causing any destruction to the nature. 3 out of 4 people prefer organic products at higher price for sustainable living. So it also grows market share, build trust and loyalty among consumers now and in near future. So why not prefer eco-friendly businesses? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today, guys. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.